Here we go, the tractor engines here. Combe Steam Rally. I think the microphone went because we've been only commentary for the last 10 minutes, quarter of an hour. Fire engine there. Big Leeds company at one time in Yorkshire. We've got one. There's one going past here. So family on board. These are reversing out that way. Meanwhile, the other one along the side's coming out this way. Some of them know each other, go to some of the events in the area, and some farther afield, shall we say. There we are. There's the commentator. Look what happened with his microphone. Not sure who else is leaving. Ultimately they'll all be leaving. There is another day tomorrow, so it doesn't finish tonight, so they'll be staying tonight, no doubt. Tractor here, meanwhile. Field Marshal. And as they go, there's no one coming down here. More tractors coming around here. I'm not sure, there are no more tractor parades today. I missed the full tractor parade. Okay, diesel there for the Fordsons and the Fords in the respective groups. There we are. The Fordson there with the trailer. There we go then. Henry Workman's off there. This is Combe Steam Rally, and while they leave there's a few more tractors coming around. This might be doing a perhaps road trip or something, or a trip around the site. The old airfield here. Of course, the Combe circuit. The tractors here, there we have various make models, there we are, Fergies as well. There's the Eras, around 35s. T20, there we are, he's looking for a grill with that one. It's totally unrestored, that one. Totally original, there we are. Motorbike here as well. One of those, all those yellow Fergie there, field marshal behind, but most of them are leaving here. Traction engine, we didn't get much of a commentary due to the microphone apparently not working. There's no reason given why, but they've just basically moved on. There we are. Field marshal behind, no doubt you can hear the interesting engine sign there. Should be using a mobile phone while driving there. There's a 165 behind. 35. There, they're Ford Super Dexter there, they're smaller over the range there. There we are, the miniature and the steam car there. Let's go around to that one. He's been around the site a good few times. Had a good run on that one today. There you go. Steam engines here at Combe.